going through some amazing times. Who would have known that 6 months ago we were going to actually be going through all of this? But it's a test. It's a testament to people's spirit, and it's going to teach us a lot. We're now having a conversation about what is right, what government overreach is, what type of data is necessary for us to really have a good testing strategy, not only statewide, but nationally and globally. To what point do citizens give up that right of their own data in order for the greater good? We need to find that balance. We need to have a strategy that is effective, that is resilient, but at the same time that it guarantees and assures that people's rights are going to be protected. How can technology do that for us?